This is a short video showing the creation of the Anchorbuddy. First, the stainless steel is laser cut at Hamilton to create the three main parts of the Anchorbuddy: the sides and non-return flap. This flap is shaped with a 90-degree turn. Using a hydraulic press to push the main assembly bolt through the stainless steel sides. The nylon is cut to the correct width with a hole drilled through the middle. The pulley is then machined to shape. There are 2 pins to hold it in place. There are 5 faces on the pulley to machine, with a customized tool that Buddy Craig has created to shape the faces on the pulley. The first tool forms the V and also the 2 side flaps on the outside. The other tool takes off the fine edge of the corner of the pulley. In no particular order, you place one of the tools in the lathe with a bit of coolant to stop the plastic of the pulley melting. Feeding it in until the screen number reaches 0. Following this with the other tool. This is then repeated. After weighing before and after the process, there is actually 50% of the material wasted.
Well, here are the parts that go into making up the Anchorbuddy. Although there doesn't look many parts in it, there are actually quite a few. One of the main parts is the piece that I have pressed the bolt into, and you can also see there's a little tab which has been pushed out, and that's to aid in the assembly. Then we have a spring, and although it looks quite simple, it's probably one of the most difficult parts to actually get right when you're manufacturing these Anchorbuddies. Then we've got a 6mm screw that holds it. There is an 8mm washer and an 8mm to 6mm bush, which is stainless steel tube once again. That goes through the pawl. The pawl's the part that's got the Anchorbuddy written on it. Then to go on the end of the 6mm screw, there's a 6mm washer and a 6mm nylock stainless nut. All those parts are 316 stainless steel. Then we have the sheave, which is machined out of solid polyethylene material, which will not expand in salt water, so it'll stand up very, very well to it. Then we go on to the other side plate or cheek plate, and once that's on, there is a 12mm washer and a 12mm stainless steel nylock nut that goes on that. That allows that so it doesn't come apart when you open and close it. It just allows it to swivel. Then it goes on to what's called a double D shackle, and you'll notice that it's not a screwed shackle, it's a quick acting shackle. In other words, you just put the pin through. You'll see there's a little tab on both ends. Well, the small tab goes through that cheek plate, through the shackle, and when you twist it 180 degrees, it will lock, and then it is spliced on to 10mm rope, and it goes up round into the other end, splice on there. So those are all the parts that go into actually making up the Anchorbuddy.
Check out this channel for an instructional video on how to splice the rope specifically for the Anchorbuddy. Thank you for watching.